Well, he's Walter, he's having a yard sale. He's Walter, he loves selling shit.
This doesn't have any wires.
It's cordless is what it is.
The cord's missing.
Hence the name cordless. I mean, speaking from anywhere in the house, let me demonstrate. Hello? Hi!
Yeah, this doesn't work.
Holy son of the father. Because it's not plugged in.
But there aren't any wires.
Cordless, not cord more. You have to be inside the house for it to work.
$50?
That's a mistake.
$60.
Yes, hello. Hi, I've got an unruly customer here. Yes, it's Walter. Yes, I can hold.
Well, it's Walter. He wants to sell you some shit.